Okay, good morning.
Yeah.
Tuesday is Tuesday 2020, right? Today we have the spelling class, right? We have the spelling class. Repeat with me. Spelling class. Okay, today we're gonna see a topic, right? Today we're gonna see a topic called, we're gonna see a topic called vocabulary, vocabulary from the class, from the class, okay? And with the vocabulary from the class, we are going to work with pronouns, pronouns, repeat with me, pronouns, pronouns, okay? And we are going to work with verb to be, verb to be, okay? Repeat with me, verb to be, verb to be. Okay, very good. And we are going to work with the articles, the articles, okay? Okay, so we are going to work with vocabulary from the class. Do you remember the vocabulary from the class? Do you remember the vocabulary from the class? Okay, so the vocabulary from the class, we're going to work with pronouns. Repeat with me. Pronouns, verb to be, and the articles, okay? So we are going to work with three. Repeat with me. Three, okay? So pronouns, verb to be, and the articles, okay? Do you remember the pronouns? Do you remember the pronouns? Pronouns, pronouns, pronouns. Okay, yes, I remember the pronouns. I know you remember the pronouns. Very good. Okay, so let's work with the pronouns. Let's work with the pronouns. I, right? I. Repeat with me. I. Okay. So let's work with she. She. Right? Repeat. She. Okay. Now let's work with he. He. Okay, very good. And we're missing one more, and it's it. Repeat. It. Eat. Alright, so very good. Now we're missing you. Right? We're missing you. We're missing we. Repeat with me. We. Okay? We and they. We're missing a you over here too, right? You. So repeat with me. Okay, repeat with me. Repeat with me. I, you, she, he, it, you, we, they. Okay, very good. Okay, so how many pronouns do we have? We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 pronouns, right? So we have 8 pronouns, right? We have 8 pronouns. Okay, repeat with me. 8 pronouns, right? 8 pronouns. Okay, repeat one more time. I, you, she, he, it, you, we, they. Right? So very good. Now, let's work with the verb to be. The verb to be, do you remember the verb to be? Okay. So let's work with the verb to be. Come on, come with me. Okay, so we're going to work with the verb to be. And we have am. Repeat with me. Am. Okay, very good. Okay, Repeat with me. Is. Repeat one more time. Is. Okay. And we have number 3. Are. Repeat with me. Are. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's continue working with the verb to be. Repeat with me. Am, is, are. Alright, so how many verb to be's do we have? How many verb to be's do we have? Alright, so we have 3. Okay, very good. We have 3. Okay, 3. Do you know how to write 3? Yeah, 3. And here we have 8. 8. 8. Okay, good. So repeat one more time. Am, is, are. Okay, so come on, let's keep on working. Work with the articles. Do you remember the articles? The articles. Articles. Come on. Articles. I remember the articles. I remember the articles. Do you remember the articles? I do. Do you? I do. Do you remember the articles? Okay, let's work. Okay, we have one article. The. Okay, repeat with me. Come on, repeat with me. The. Okay, so we have an. Repeat, an. Okay, so we have the second article. We're missing one more. We need one more. We need one more. We need one more. And is a. Right? So this is the articles. These are the articles. These are the articles. Repeat with me. The, an, and a. Okay, very good. Repeat the verb to be. Am, is, are. Okay, very good. Let's repeat the pronouns. I, you, she, he, it, you, we, they. Okay, very good. And we have 8. We have 3. And here, how many do we have? We have 3 also, right? We have 3. 3 articles, 3 verb to be's, and we have 8 pronouns. Okay, very good. So this is what we're gonna do right now. I told you that we were gonna work with vocabulary from the class, right? Do you remember I said that at the beginning? I said that at the beginning that we were gonna work with vocabulary from the class. Look, vocabulary from the class. Okay, let's work with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to work with only 5 vocabulary words. Only 5 vocabulary words, okay? Okay, very good. So let's see, do you remember the vocabulary words from the class? Do you remember the vocabulary from the class? I do remember. Do you remember? We have a lot vocabulary from the class, right? We have a lot vocabulary from the class, right? So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna work with only 5 vocabulary words from the class, okay? So, let's work with vocabulary from the class. Okay, I have one. Look. Repeat with me. Look. Right? Look. Right? Okay. Now, do you remember? Give me number 2. Come on. Give me number 2. Come on, let's go. Give me number 2. Number 2, hello. Okay, let's work with classroom. Classroom. Repeat. Classroom. Classroom. Right? Okay, let's work with number 3. Word number 3. Vocabulary from the class. Number 3. Let's go. Let's go. How about we use market? Market. This is a market. Market. Okay. Marker. Right? This is a marker. Sorry. A marker. A marker. Okay. This is a marker. A marker. M-A-R-K-E-R. Okay. This is a marker. Sorry. Okay. So we have number 3. Let's work with number 4. Give me number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Come on. I want number 4. Okay. Let's go. Let's work with table. Table. Right? Working with table. Okay. And the last one. Let's say board. Board. So this is a board. This is a board. Right? So here we have the topic for today, Tuesday, 12/2020, right? Today is the 12th, 2020, and it's Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. So here we have the topic, the pronouns, the verb to be, the articles. We have 8 pronouns, 3 verb to be's, and 3 articles. Okay. So we're gonna continue working right now because we are going to make some sentences for homework. For homework, we need to make some sentences, right? And I have the homework right here. So write it down in your notebook. Use your notebook so you can write down the homework, right? Okay, so instructions. Write in your notebook. Okay, write in your notebook the definition of pronouns, verb to be, and the articles. The definition of verb to be, pronouns, and the articles. Pronouns, verb to be, and the articles. Okay? So these are the instructions. Write in your notebook. Okay? The definition of pronouns, verb to be, and the articles. Okay? Okay. And you're gonna write the definition. Okay? So then when you finish the definition, you are going to write sentences using the pronouns, using the verb to be, and using the articles. How many sentences we're gonna do? Okay, you do 8 sentences, right? 8 sentences. And what else? And define the pronouns, verb to be, and articles, right? Pronouns, verb to be, and articles. That is the homework for Friday. Okay, you have 4 days to do the homework. You have the homework for Friday. So repeat with me. Define the words. Define the words pronouns. Define the word verb to be, and define the articles. Okay, so that is the homework. And then when you finish with the definitions, you are going to make 8 sentences using the pronouns, using the verb to be, and using the articles. Okay, so that is what you're gonna do for homework. Okay, so I am going to make one example. Okay, so I am going to make one example right now. So here you have the example. right? Here you have the example of how you can use the pronoun, right? How you can use the pronoun. As you can see here, right? This is the pronoun, okay? This is the pronoun, right? Here you have the verb to be, right? Verb to be, and here you have the article, right? So this is an example of how you can make the 8 sentences for homework, right? Plus the definition of the pronouns, verb to be, and the articles, right? So here you have an example. Can you read with me the example? Read with me. I am in the park with my father, right? I am in the park with my father. Okay, so that is one example of how you can do the homework, right? So this is it. Thank you. Watch the video and listen to the video. Watch the video and listen to the video, right? Watch the video and listen to the video, okay? Watch the video and listen to the video, okay? Please do your homework. This homework is for Friday, okay? So for Friday we have homework of the class of spelling, right? So thank you, Jadelyn, Juan, okay? So you do your homework, okay? Bernard, Jefferson, Eduardo, Angel, Alejandra, Angela, ¿verdad? María, okay? Who else? Do I miss it? Okay, I said Juan, and we have Genesis, okay? So please do your homework. That this is for you, right? This is for you. It's for your mind, right? For your mind, and you can learn English, right? So this is one example of the homework, okay? So bye. I see you next class. Goodbye.